My beard look okay? Oh, we're live again? All right, we'll get it next time. All right, good morning once again. I have some great news for you today. You only have to do 2 proof drawings for your activity book. So we're gonna get right into it this morning. So solve each problem, make a proof drawing if you need to. We're gonna work on relating subtraction and addition problems, which most of you probably have a pretty good idea on. So hopefully this will go pretty quick. There were 138 students in the gym for the assembly. Then 86 more students came in. How many students were in the gym altogether? So we're going to start out with 138 plus 86, and that's going to give us 224 students. Okay, so 224 students for our first problem. You need to do a proof drawing for the bottom of that. I'm not going to do it just to try and save you some time in watching me do it, so you can get further along. But remember 224 students here, because now that's going to relate to our second problem. Saying that there were 224 students in the gym for the assembly, then 86 students left. How many students were still in the gym? So in this case, we're going to do 224 minus 86. I have to borrow here, take 1. 14 minus 6 is 8. Can't do 1 minus 8, so I have to borrow again. 11 minus 8 is 3, and we get 138 students. Now, again, you have to do a proof drawing for that, but did we really have to work all of that out? So 138 students is our answer, but if we go back up here, we could probably find that from this answer as well. So that's kind of how they're related. You've probably seen this before, that if 138 plus 86 equals 224, okay, that means that 224 minus 86 will equal 138. Okay, so that's how those two are related. So that should help you answer number 3 at the bottom. So look at your addition, subtraction, and proof drawings from problems 1 and 2. How are addition and subtraction related? So I'm going to kind of let you answer that. I gave you a pretty good idea on that first, from those first 2 problems. And now if you were to this point, you don't have to do any more proof drawings. You're welcome. All right, so solve and discuss. Solve and label your answers. So Mary had 275 baseball cards. Her brother gave her a collection of 448 baseball cards. How many baseball cards does Marley have now? So she had 275. Her brother gave her some more, 448 more. So that gives her 723 baseball cards. Okay. Now, when we move on to number 5, write a subtraction word problem related to the addition word problem in problem 4. Then find the answer without doing any calculations. Okay, so now I need to write a subtraction word problem and relate it to this. Okay, and I'm not going to do any calculations, so I'm going to use this to figure out the answer. Now, what I would say then is maybe something like Marley had 723 baseball cards. She gave her brother 448 cards. How many does she have left? And now I will be able to solve that problem because I know that the addition and subtraction are related. So she should have how many left? It should be 275, right? So if 275 plus 448 equals 723, then 723 minus the 448 that she gave her brother should equal 275 baseball cards. Okay. Now, I'm going to let you do your own for the next one. Okay, so 6 and 7, I'm going to let you kind of do it on your own. You need to answer what you got for number 6. And then number 7 will be to write your own problem And so those answers can vary a little bit. They don't have to all be the same. And then draw a math mountain to show the relationship between the numbers in problems 6 and 7. Okay? So remember, math mountains are like 14, okay, 8, 6, kind of like that. So do that with the numbers that you used for problems 6 and 7. Okay? Any questions? I'll be around.